everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So in the spirit of using up everything, today's video is, well, using up foil packets and mixing. Yes, we know, we've all seen the mixing all of our foundations. Well guys, I had all the foil packets. Well, maybe not all the foil packets, but a lot of foil packets. So what I did, there were some that were foundations, concealers, and then I decided, hey, I have a lot of stuff around here, why not follow the trend? So, you know, all the cool kids are doing it, so I wanted to try it. But then I took it one step further, because I had a lot of primers in foil packets. And so I mixed primers. For the record, I did not go out and buy these. I had them left over from when I was making Jello shots last summer for a kayak event. I'll be honest, I'll do anything for a kayak event, especially Jello shots. But because I also have concealer, I have, where'd it go? I had it right here in front of me. There it is. I have an LA Girl concealer right here. And I thought, hey, why not use this stuff and see what it's like? And then I still have some loose powder and everything, so we'll give it a shot. All right, so here we go. Okay guys, so I still have a powder foundation. I'm going to set it with my powder foundation, because why not? But before I do that, I should probably do my concealer, because I just realized, you know, powder, whatever. So this is in the color Creamy Beige. Let's hope it works. Oh, hello. Color correcting. Kind of like the applicator. So I have this little concealer brush that I don't even, it was from Dollar Tree. It's a Wet n Wild brush. I have no idea how to find it again, but it works out. It works perfectly. I also like it to use it to blend eyeshadow. But we're gonna use it as a concealer brush today. We'll see how this works. Right? Okay. So, it doesn't look bad, but we'll blend it in with a... And because I have samples of eyeshadow primer, we're gonna get down. Okay, so let me go ahead and put on, that was a lot of the powder foundation over top, because why not? All right, now let me throw on a spray. And I will check in with you guys later, see how this withstood the test of time. I am going to put on the rest of my face and put on more of a long-lasting spray. But yeah, you'll get to see that soon. All right, we'll see you soon. Okay guys, so I forgot to turn on my microphone, so voiceover! Yeah, okay, I'm scooting you in. You can see my beauty up close. Yeah, so, I don't know what that facial expression was for. But here, because I can only scooch in so far, here I am, close to the camera. Yeah, it's okay. I'm a little shiny on the forehead. A lot shiny on the nose. Right there's my highlight. I'm supposed to be shiny. Right there, nose. Ugh. Yeah, I didn't touch up at all. Not even my lips. You could tell. Itchy nose. Okay. So, happy face. See, it's alright. What I plan on doing, guys, is making a tinted moisturizer out of it. Because, why not? So, yeah. That's exciting. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I look good. You know, from there. I did have to touch up my blush, but that's for another video. But, yeah, so far so good. So, guys, what would you like to see? Would you like me to do, like, all eyeshadows out of one palette? What would you like to try? Tell me. Oh, yeah, I said it with powder foundation. Yeah, so like, subscribe, comment below.